Welcome to my super boring guest bathroom. This room's about as plain Jane as you can get, but today we're gonna give it a makeover and some color and help it to feel a lot more welcoming for our guests. So we are in our basement, and just down this hall is our guest bedroom. This is the only room that I have not painted in this entire house. We moved in this house 6 years ago, and I have literally painted every room in this house except this little guest bathroom. So let me show you around. I'll give you a quick tour. There's a sink with cabinet, a mirror, hello, a shower. And so that's pretty standard, and there's a toilet. And then there's just a blank wall over here. So it's pretty much a blank canvas. There's not a lot going on in here, but I know that we can make this look better than it does right now. So the first thing I like to do when I'm making over a bathroom is to choose a shower curtain. This bathroom does have a shower that needs a shower curtain. It doesn't have a glass door. So we get to choose a shower curtain, and this is the one I chose. I've actually had this for a while, but I've been putting off this project. It came from Target. So we're going to use this shower curtain fabric as inspiration for the colors in this bathroom. My painting video, my step-by-step easy instructions for painting a room, check out the video that will be linked right up here. Okay y'all, I'm finished painting. The paint is dry. Now it's time to put back all of the fixtures, and then we can do a little decorating.
Today I'm going to be shopping at the at-home store. This is a great place to shop for inexpensive decor, and I'm specifically looking for some kind of print or something to go in that bathroom. So let's go in and see what they have. I did get what I was after. I got a couple of really cute pictures. I'll show them to you later. And a couple of other things that I needed to accessorize this bathroom. And we are ready to put it together. I'm excited.
And so the first thing I got was for $9.99, this really cute print. It's on canvas. So I don't need to worry about this getting wet, and it only costs $10. So I'm gonna hang it over here. And I purchased this one for $6.99. I liked what it said, love your life. And I'm going to hang this one near the sink. It's also made of canvas, so we don't have to worry about it getting wet. We already had some nice towels for this room, but I did purchase this basket to put the towels in for our guests, and it was $12.99. Well, I love the way the room turned out, and I especially love this paint color. Hey, if you struggle with finding the perfect paint color, you might want to watch my other video where I show you how to use this really cool app from Sherwin-Williams called Color Snap. I will link that video down below. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you'll subscribe to my channel for more inspiring and fun decorating ideas. Bye for now.